Hello, my dear student. I am Razamani Ali. I hope all you are fine. So today on 8th of April, I am going to start your class 6 computer first lesson. Know your computer. So already we discussed some topics of this lesson. So today I am going to discuss another topics of this lesson. So already we discussed input unit and processing unit. Okay, so today I am going to discuss about that output unit. So what is output unit? uh, Output unit is for getting information from a computer. For example, the visual display unit or the monitor is an output device that displays the information on the screen. The information shown on a display unit is called soft copy. So what type of data, facts, instruction we enter into our computer monitor, into our computer. Then this one, data, facts, instruction going to our CPU. Then they also be processed in there. Then they also be come out into our computer monitor screen. So this one, when our data, facts, instruction come out into our computer monitor screen, so that one computer monitor screen called that output unit. Okay, so what type of data, facts, instruction we see into our computer monitor screen, so that type of data called that soft copy. Okay, so what is next is that hard copy. So we can also obtain information from a computer on a physical medium such as paper with the help of a printer. So printed information is called hard copy. So what type of data, facts, instruction we see into our computer monitor screen? If we want to physical medium into our paper, then we can also be print out with the help of printer. So this one, then printed copy is called that hard copy. Okay, so next is called that liquid crystal display LCD projector. Output from a computer can also be viewed on a large screen or flat surfaces other than the monitor using an LCD projector. So LCD projector also be called output unit. Next, plotters. These are output devices used for making high quality graphics, charts, diagrams, maps, etc. Plotters use an inkjet or ink pens to create the desired output on paper. So various three types of plotters available, that inkjet plotter, then flatbed plotter and drum plotter. With the help of this plotter, we can also be making high quality graphics, charts, diagrams, maps, etc. Okay, so next is that categorization of software. So what type of software we use in our computer? So as software is a set of programs that runs a computer system. So without the software, we cannot run our computer. So computer software is stored and executed with the help of computer hardware. Major categorization of software that form part of a computer system are discussed here. That first type of software is that system software. Okay, so system software is a program that manages and supports the resources and operations of a computer or a computer system while it executes various tasks such as processing of data and information, controlling the hardware components, and allowing users to use the application software. In other words, system software is a bridge between the computer system hardware and the application software. Operating system is an example of system software. So system software is the main of our computer. If we don't use our system software, then we cannot run our computer. Okay, so the main example of system software is that operating system. So what is operating system? An operating system is a software which acts as an interface between the user and the computer, that is all computer resources. It is an important component that controls all other components of the computer system. Without an operating system, a computer is of no use. So without an operating system, a computer is of no use. Some of the commonly used operating system are that Windows, Linux, Unix, etc. Okay, next type of system software is that language translator. So you can also be read from that three types of language translator, that compiler, interpreter, and assembler. So you can read from your book that what is compiler, what is interpreter, and what is assembler. Okay, so next type of software is that application software. Application software is a set of programs necessary to carry out operation for a specified application. These are the programs written by programmers to enable computers to perform a specific task. If we need to do something in calculator, then you click on calculator application. If we want to write something, then we need to click on our word processors application software. If we need to draw something, then we need to click on paints application software. Okay, so different type of application also be available into our computer monitor screen. So everyone do different work. Okay, so next is the utility software. So what is utility software? Utilities are application programs which assist a computer by performing housekeeping function like backing up disk or scanning, cleaning viruses, or arranging information. They ensure the smooth functioning of a computer. For example of utility software is that antivirus software. Okay, so the antivirus software that ensures a virus free environment. So if our computer, if in our computer some viruses also be attacking into our computer, then we use antivirus to remove the virus. Okay, so your first lesson complete. After watching the videos, subscribe our school channel, press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and like my videos. So now bye.